It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Jungle justice or suicide? The deacon accused of killing the young lady in Manchester was found dead in his home. Which dancehall artist dissed corporate Jamaica by not turning up for their event, but still collected payment? Not a good look. Eminem is back. He released Kamikaze, a surprise album, and basically started a hip-hop war with everyone in the industry. No one was spared. What a comeback. Jeez. Well, someone's going to be in trouble if the president finds out who leaked information to the New York Times. The informant says the White House is in chaos and the man in charge is clueless. Let's see if anything comes out of this. And finally holding the spot this week, Nike go hard. After agreeing to keep Colin Kaepernick on as an ambassador, it didn't go down too well with some Americans. They were actually buying Nike products just to burn them. So, Nike issued a how to burn or product safely guide. Just do it. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook and the gram at TVJ Intense.